see little George Pig playing a game, then a boo-boo. It's alright, it was just a small fright, and Mummy will cuddle and calm you. Oopsie, little Richard, popping balloon, then a boo-boo. Hurt your ears, now let's have no more tears, and here's a better one for you. Zoo, zoo, little Zaza, building a bridge, then a boo-boo. Trip to the ground, then the bridge tumbled down. A kiss and a plaster for you too. Oopsie, everyone dancing around, then a boo-boo. Round and round we all tumbled down. A funny old time for all of you. Oopsie, little Edmund, eating the prize, then a boo-boo. Ate too quick, now you're feeling quite sick, so no more jelly now for you. Bless you, little George Pig, out comes the cake, then a boo-boo. In our hair, now it's gone everywhere. What a fun party for you! Alexander, look at me. I'll pretend to be Mommy. Veggies are healthy and fun. They'll make you dance, sing and run. Alexander, look at me. Daddy thinks squash is yummy. Would you like a small pickle? It will make your tongue tickle. Alexander, look at me. George really likes to eat peas. Would you like to try